Hello guys, welcome to day 240 from 400 days of learning programming challenge. I think I can finish my AI that I tried to create today. So I already finished it, but I'm trying to analyze it to understand what's going on, because I asked a lot of help from the chat GPT. So that's it. Today I'm going to finish the analyzing, I think, and tomorrow I'm getting back to my last project, which is creating a online game about web development and this kind of stuff. So let's get back to our analyzing. Where we was? I think we was here. We already removed some of the codes here. It was just copy of this, I think. So here we told if the row is 1 and column is 1, and these arrows should be, these directions should be equal to 0. So this is the results, and here when we see T word, it's mean terminals, and when we receive to the terminals, we rewarded to 0. The reward is equal to 0, and this is the reward, the 0. If we go to the north and we reach the terminal here, the reward is equal to 0. So in these lines, let me check again. Row 1, column 1, okay. Row 7. Let me check it from here. Row 7, column 8. 7, column 8, okay. Row 6, column 2. Row 6, column 2. Row 3, column 6. Row 3, column 6. Okay, so we mentioned all of this truly. And if we face the terminals, the directions should be equal to 0. Else, if the row -1 or -1 equal to 0, out of border. So it means if we are, for example, in row 1, okay? If we are in row 1, it means -1 is equal to 0, okay? So if that happen in the north, it means it is out of border. Else, it is in the world. By the world, it means this grid. End of the story. This was for north, and this is for east. If column plus 1 is equal to 9, so we already have a column by 8, I think. We have 8 column, okay. If column plus 1, so if 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, here it's mean out of border. Else it is in the world. But What is this line of code if it's out of border? I'm going to come back and check this, but let me check the other ones. If the row plus 1 is equal to 8, it is out of border, else it's in the world. And now if column minus 1 is equal to 0, column minus 1 equal to 0, it's out of border. Column minus 1. So if the column is 1 and minus 1 equal to 0, it's west. How it's west? Column 1 negative 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Should be north, I think. Column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Row 1, 2, 3. Is it true? Because look, R, it's mean row minus 1, okay, equal to 0. If the row here is 1 and it get minus 1, okay, it's mean it should the agent going to the left, so it's in the west, not north. Oh no, if the rows are vertically, okay, so if it's getting minus 1, it means it's going to the north. Okay, so how about this one? This one is in the west, right? So the column minus 1, it means it's going to horizontally getting minus 1, so it is west. It's true, it's true. So right now, how about this line of codes? If minus 1 is equal to 0, this is going to happen. It means out of border, but how? Because minus 1 has been included here in the world. What is this line of code says? I don't know. Go to the west, get the reward of west plus gamma, multiply by word 0. Get the reward. Is this reward or is this row? I'm thinking about where is rewards. I think this is rewards. Rewards. Here and here are the rewards. Rewards section. Let's say rewards. rewards for terminal. This is rewards for terminal. And this is rewards for getting out of the world. So this is the normal equation, okay? If we are out of border, we tell please come here and use the normal equation. And if we are in the world, you can use the normal equation. Of course, if it is out of border, come back here and use the normal equation. So it is getting fixed by each other. Here are the same codes. And what is this code? We are creating the world matrix here. And get multiplied by 25%. What is 25? By 25, I mean it is the value of every direction. It is the policy, I think. The policy, the probability of getting to the north, getting to the west, getting to the east, or getting to the south. So the probability, I don't know the pronunciation, to the every direction, it's going to multiply it by every direction plus 0. So this is the value, showing the value, and this is showing the index. We are looking for the max value from these directions and switch. By switch, it means if, I think. Let's check in the ChatGPT. Okay, so it's like if and else. If index is case 1, by case 1 it's mean going to the north, arrows are C. So if the case is this one, it should be R and C to the north. It's going to compare it one by one to these items, I think. And here is the next iteration coming. It is a formula of MSE. If these two matrices, which we have them here, are less, the difference of them is less than this, so the condition is equal to 0, and the while loop is going to be finished, and the world 0 is equal to world. This is the finish of the code, but here is another extra codes for making these symbols. play these two explanation here for rows from 1 to 7 and for columns from 1 to 8. If row 1 column 1 print integer of t, and do this for the rest of the codes. Else okay, so these two variables shows that we have to print the arrows from these cells, and it should be a string. And this line of code shows a space between two lines. So this is the code, and that's it. We analyze it. I'm going to start my creating online game tomorrow from tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow.